Welcome friends. In this video I will do technical analysis of Chainlink Linkcoin and I will tell you my next target for the Chainlink. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join my Telegram channel for more informative content and very useful information. Links are in this video's description. And please thumbs up the like button right now for the motivation. And if you are new, then please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon right now. And if you want to trade on Binance Exchange or KuCoin Exchange, then go to in this video's description where you can get the link of Binance Exchange. This is the Binance Exchange link and this is KuCoin Exchange link, and you can also get Bybit and Hotbit link too. Let's focus to the content. This is Chainlink USD pair 1 over Binance chart. Chainlink is currently at $30. In my previous video, I was told you that this is a beautiful resistance, a very strong resistance is at $31, and Chainlink moves in between this resistance, and after hitting $32, Chainlink again rejected and it is now $30.11. It is in this pattern and this is the downtrend line. If Chainlink lose this downtrend line in this situation, Chainlink can go down. Chainlink have to hold this downtrend line of this white downtrend line of this pennant. If Chainlink hold this, in that case definitely it will go up. Otherwise, let me please show you the targets. If Chainlink hold this, in that case our target will be like this. Target of this pennant. We have to put it on the upper side of this pennant, and the target will be like $33.2, I think so. Let me please arrange this again. $33.72. And if unfortunately Chainlink break this and break this downtrend line and this support zone, which is at $29.22, if Chainlink break this support zone to this support zone, sorry for that, this support zone, in that case, let me please show you how much Chainlink can go down. In that case, Chainlink can go to hit this zone, $27. If Chainlink lose this downtrend line, break this downtrend line, break this yellow trend line, and break this support zone, which is at $29.20, in that case definitely it can go down to hit $27.36, maybe $27. This is the case. And if Chainlink break this towards upside, in that case Chainlink can hit this target, which is $33.72. This is the target. According to the support and resistance base, our target will be like this. This will be the target like this. You can say our first target will be like this. This is 32, not 33. 32.70. In that case, 32.94, 33.72, these are the targets. But if Chainlink break this area, in that case 27 will be the target. According to the support and resistance base, if Chainlink break this zone, in that case, if Chainlink break this $29 support zone, in that case our bearish target will be $27.24, maybe $27. These are bearish targets and these are upside targets. Let me please show you the EMA ribbon. EMA ribbon, candles are above from the EMA ribbon, and it is a good sign. But if candles break this EMA ribbon, in that case, it can go down to $29, maybe $27. Let me please show you the volume. The volume is not very satisfactory, maybe some sideways action in this chart. Let me please show you VPVR. There are good tower of VPVR are at $30.50, $29.96, $29.45, and $27.48. These are the area. This is the area where most of the buying and selling orders can execute. And once Chainlink break $31.5, in that case there will be no resistance. In that case, price can go much higher. And if unfortunately Chain break $27, there will be no support zone of VPVR towers and very less VPVR towers. In that case, Chainlink can go down. Let me please share my thoughts. We have to focus on BTC. If BTC break $37,900, in that case, definitely Chainlink will hit my targets. These are the targets. And if unfortunately Bitcoin fails to hold and Bitcoin reject from $37,300, $37,500, in that case, these will be the targets. We have to focus this area, $30, $29.5. If channel and $29, sorry, $30 and $29. If Chainlink break these two support zones, in that case, it can go down to $27. And if Chainlink move towards upside and break this upside side trend line, in that case, $32, $32.94, and $33.72. These are the targets. And friend, this is my technical analysis. If you want to join Binance Exchange, KuCoin Exchange, and some other exchanges, the links are in this video's description. Click on these links and create your account. It will take only 20 seconds. My last words are that if Chainlink break this banner towards downside, in that case, our target will be $27. And if Chainlink break this banner towards upside, in that case, our target will be $32, $32.94, and $33.70, maybe $34. These are the targets. But we have to focus on these areas, $30 and $29. If Chainlink hold these areas, in that case, it will go to hit my targets. Otherwise, it will go to hit my bearish targets. Let me please show you the RSI. RSI is at 49. If RSI goes down below 30, in that case, this will be the worst scenario. In that case, price of the Chainlink will down in speedy way. We have to focus on these two levels, $29 and $30. If Chainlink hold these levels, then $32, $32.94, $33.73. These are the targets. If Chainlink lose these levels, $30 and $29, in that case, $27 will be our target. Thanks for the watching and always keep supporting me. Take care.